If your PC looks like a dinosaur, it's time for an upgrade. Let's find the best parts for your new build. First up, the CPU, the brain of your PC. Gamers, go for high clock speeds like the AMD Ryzen 5 or Intel Core i5. Content creators, think more cores and threads like Ryzen 9 or Core i9. Next, the GPU, key for both gaming and creative work. NVIDIA GeForce RTX or AMD Radeon RX are solid choices. More VRAM means better performance at higher resolutions. The motherboard ties everything together. Ensure compatibility with your CPU and enough slots for RAM and GPUs. Look for USB ports and future-proofing features like PCIe 4.0 or 5.0. For RAM, 16 GB is great, but 32 GB is better for heavy tasks. Aim for speeds of 3200 MHz or higher. Storage-wise, SSDs speed up everything. NVMe SSDs are the fastest. Pair with an HDD for more space. Don't skimp on the PSU, it powers your whole system. A 650W PSU is usually good, but high-end builds might need more. Finally, pick a case that fits your components and allows good airflow. A well-ventilated case keeps your system cool. That's it. Choosing the right parts means better performance. Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech tips from Smartest Technology. Stay smart.